Hello everyone. The following is a summary of floods, a natural disaster which is profound information about human strength in facing disasters, and at the same time, a call for solidarity to combat the negative effects of climate change. Now, let's go. To close. There was a cloudburst in Thunog of Mandi, after which the floodwaters caused landslides and swept away the houses like straw. On the other hand, the 100-year-old Lal pool of Buntar in Kulu was washed away amid heavy rains. More than 20 million people across California are under flood warnings, as the risk of landslides also spreads to the Los Angeles and San Diego areas, with authorities reporting an increased risk of flooding. Eastern Australia is currently facing a severe weather crisis, with torrential rain and thunderstorms waking up havoc, causing widespread disruption and damage. The situation has escalated to serious levels, with 2 individuals rescued from their homes in New South Wales NSD after their car was tragically swept away by water. Weather forecast shows total water of the past 2 days could exceed 300 mm in some areas by the end of Wednesday. This rainfall is enough to cause surface flooding and flash flooding, leading to inundation of homes and property. The dramatic moment of the flood in Spain swept away many people's cars. An unforeseen disaster. Thousands of people had to evacuate. Some people were stuck in their cars and waiting for the rescue team to come to the rescue. Landslides occur, affecting soil, rocks, trees, and the ground, causing destruction to people and homes. Heavy rain causes seawater levels to rise, causing serious flooding to infrastructure and harsh conditions for affected people. Both of these phenomena require the community to be vigilant. The floodwaters were so horrifying that people's houses were swept away, more land was eroded, and roads were cut off, affecting the daily living environment. The consequences of these flash floods are especially severe in rural areas and residential areas near hillsides and mountain areas. Homes washed away by the severe Delton Lake flooding Wisconsin has changed, and this is a flood that swept away cars and homes. A flash flood flooded a small town, collapsing houses, overflowing bridges, and torrential water blocking roads. Hope you have time to feel about climate change. Please like, share, and subscribe to get more of our updates every day.